to get a recovery code for Microsoft account. So if you want to get a recovery code for Microsoft account, then first you just need simply open up your Microsoft on your browser. So go with your browser, search for Microsoft and go with www.microsoft.com and make sure that you have signed into your account and go with the profile, which is on the top right, and go with My Microsoft account. Once you go with your Microsoft account, now here on the left side, you will have security option. So click on security. Under security, you will have manage how I sign in. So you need to go with manage how I sign in under your security. And if you scroll down, then here you will have recovery code. So you just need simply go with generate a new code. And you can use this code to access your account if you lose access to your sign in info. You need to print this out and keep it in a safe place or take a picture of it. Once you click on generate a new code, it will ask you to verify, so you can enter your password or your sign in details, and you need to again sign in. And after signing in, you will have your recovery code. You can just simply copy the recovery code or take a screenshot of it or take a printout and save that recovery code. So that's how you can get a recovery code for Microsoft account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.